Kids teeth grinding is the main issue for pretty much parents. So usually we can't treat a teeth grinding case only with medication, because there are certain situations that we can give medication, but certain cases we need to give some other supporting therapies. Mainly what we see, two varieties are there. If the kids are having teeth grinding in the night time or when they are sleeping, mostly there will be some worm infestation that we need to attend in a physiological level. We need to correct it, or deworming should be done. Some Ayurvedic medication has to be given for that. Maybe not in the conscious stage. Mostly it will be worm infestation. But in ASD cases, many of the kids are having teeth grinding when they are alive in the daytime, when they sit idle, when they are doing something or involved in some activities, they will be having teeth grinding. Mostly that issue will be an auditory seeking, because they will be hearing that sound when we teeth grinding will be done. That sound they are perceiving that. So that auditory seeking has to be corrected through some behavior therapy or some sensory integration. So not every teeth grinding cases we can't treat with medication. So we need to segregate which is the causative factor. Accordingly, we need to act whether therapy needed, that to sensory needed, or some behavior therapy needed, or else we need to treat it with some deworming kind of medication.